The baby punched you in the head. You okay, baby Michael? That wasn't very nice. Oh, baby Michael. You poor thing. Come here. You okay? Here you go. That's safer. Yeah, he hit himself in the face. He's drooling. You have a big bump on your head. I know, you want to crawl. You're so cute. What are you doing, Mary?
Pushing colors down.
Pushing the crayons down? Oh dear, you're gonna bump your head again. Oh dear. You gonna answer the phone?
Phone out there. Go call it, Mommy.
No, that's okay. I'm good. So we're gonna have to clean up in here. You're drooling all over there, Matt.
Baby, don't do it.
Oh no, don't fall again.
Don't fall again.
Oh dear.
I'm very done. Baby, don't walk out. Baby, let's stay.
Then Mommy's gonna have to get the safety scissors and cut that out.
Baby, let's stay in the car seat.
Baby wants to stay in the car seat?
Yeah.
How do you know?
I want to dance.
Well, why don't you dance over here on that floor?
No.
No? I'll record you.
No.
Don't bump your head again, baby Michael. Oh, there you go again. Okay.